Jonah, today is going to be a real English challenge.
A challenge? What kind of challenge?
We will take a taxi, speak to the driver, ask for the price, ask for time, even deal with traffic.
Wait, in English? All in English?
Yes, real English, real life. First, we must stop a taxi on the street. Then we will ask, "Where are you going?" And "How much is it?" Then we will talk about traffic and maybe even stop for water.
Stop for water? In a taxi?
Yes, that's real life English. Finally, we will arrive at Central Mall, pay the driver, and say goodbye.
Okay, I will try. I want to learn real English.
Perfect. Let's start your taxi journey now.
Let's go! I am ready!
Jonah, we need to take a taxi now. We are late.
Yes, we are a little late. We need a taxi, but I don't see a taxi. Do you see a taxi?
Let me look. There are many cars, many motorbikes, but not many taxis.
Yes, many cars, many motorbikes, but no taxi.
Wait, look over there. Look at that yellow car. Do you see it?
The yellow car? Oh, yes, I see it now. That is a taxi.
Yes, that is a taxi. Good. Now listen, Jonah. When you see a taxi, you raise your hand.
I raise my hand? Like this?
Yes, like that. Raise your hand high so the driver can see you.
Okay. I raise my hand high, like this.
Yes, that's good. Keep your hand up. Don't put your hand down.
Okay, I keep my hand up. I am raising my hand. I hope the taxi sees me.
Yes, the taxi will see you. Just wait. Be patient.
Okay, I am waiting. I am raising my hand. I am waiting for the taxi.
I don't understand this map at all. Are we even in the right spot?
Never mind the map, look.
There's a yellow cab.
Hello? Hello? Where are you going?
Hi. Hello. We are going to Central Mall.
Central Mall? You want to go to Central Mall?
Yes, that's right. We want to go to Central Mall.
Yes, Central Mall, please. We are going to Central Mall.
Okay. Central Mall, I understand. Please get in.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You go first, Elena. Please, you go first.
Oh, thank you, Jonah. That's very kind.
You're welcome.
It's nice inside. It's clean.
Yes, it is clean. It's a nice taxi.
Welcome. Please sit comfortably.
Thank you. I feel comfortable.
So, you are going to Central Mall, right? Central Mall?
Yes, that's right. We are going to Central Mall.
Central Mall. Okay. I just want to confirm. You are going to Central Mall.
Yes. Central Mall. That's our destination.
Okay, good. I will take you to Central Mall.
Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you. We're going to Central Mall. Excuse me, I want to ask something.
Yes, sure. You can ask.
How much is the taxi? I mean, how much does it cost?
The price is about $5. Around $5.
About $5? Around $5?
Yes, not more than $5. About $5.
Okay, about $5.
That's okay. $5 is fine.
Yes, that is okay. $5 is a good price.
Yes, it's a normal price for this distance.
Excuse me, how long does it take to get to Central Mall?
It takes about 15 minutes.
About 15 minutes?
Yes, about 15 minutes. Maybe 15 to 20 minutes, depending on traffic.
15 to 20 minutes. Okay.
So not too long, right?
Yes, not too long.
That's good. That is fast.
Don't worry, we're almost there. It's just around this bend.
Oh, I see it now. Looks great.
That's a relief.
Is this your first time in this city?
Yes, this is my first time in this city.
Your first time?
Yes, my first time.
Yes, we are visiting. We are new here.
Oh, I see. Welcome. Welcome to the city.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We are happy to be here.
This city is very busy every day.
Yes, I can see that. It is very busy.
Yes, many cars, many motorbikes, many people.
Yes, many people. Always many people.
It is busy, but it is interesting.
Yes, busy but interesting. Busy but exciting.
Yes, busy and exciting. That's the city. Do you want the fast way or the short way?
Fast way or short way?
Fast way means less time. Short way means less distance.
Oh, I understand now.
We want the fast way, please.
Fast way? Okay.
Yes, fast way, please. We want to arrive quickly. Oh, there are many cars in front of us.
Yes, there is traffic.
Yes, there is a little traffic now.
A little traffic.
Yes, not too much. Just a little traffic.
That's okay. We still have time.
Yes, it's okay. We are not in a hurry.
Excuse me, can you turn on the air conditioner?
Yes, of course. I can turn it on.
Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you. It is a little hot inside.
Yes, it is hot today. Now it will be cool.
That's better. Thank you. Oh, my phone is ringing.
You can answer it.
Hello? Hi. Yes, I can hear you.
Who is that?
It's my friend. Yes, we are in a taxi now. We are going to Central Mall. Yes, maybe 15 minutes. Yes, around 15 minutes.
Elena, I feel thirsty. I really want water.
You can ask the driver to stop.
Okay, I will try. Excuse me, can we stop here?
Stop here?
Yes, stop here, please. I want to buy water.
Okay, sure. We can stop.
Just a quick stop, please.
Thank you for waiting. Thank you very much.
No problem. Are you ready now?
Yes, we are ready.
Yes, we are ready. Let's go.
Okay, we continue now. We are almost there.
Really? We are almost there now?
Yes, very close. Just a few more minutes.
Oh, I can see something big.
Yes, that is the mall. That is Central Mall.
Oh, I can see it clearly now.
Here we are. This is Central Mall.
Oh, great. We are here now.
Yes, we arrived. We are at Central Mall.
Thank you for the ride.
You're welcome.
How much is it?
It is $5.
$5. Okay.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Keep the change.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yes, thank you for your help.
Thank you. That's very kind. Have a nice day.
You too. Have a nice day.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Wow, that was a good experience.
Yes, it was. You did very well.
I asked questions. I spoke English.
Yes, you did. You spoke clearly.
Now I feel confident. I can take a taxi in English.
Yes, you can. You did it. Jonah, you did it. You took a taxi in English.
Yes, I did it. I feel proud. It was not so difficult.
Exactly. Now you know real English for taxis.
But I still want to practice more.
Good idea. Practice is important. Now it's your turn.
Yes, your turn.
Can you try these sentences?
Where are you going?
How much is it?
Can you stop here, please?
Repeat after us and practice out loud.
Don't just watch. Speak. Speak English.
And tell us in the comments.
Have you ever taken a taxi in English before?
Or will this be your first time? If you learned something today,
Please like the video.
and subscribe for the next episode. See you next lesson.